Hi friends, myself Sai Pranu. I am studying 10th class. Today I am going to explain working of institutions. Working of institutions need for political institutions. The government is responsible for providing various things and facilities to the people. Various departments and bodies are called government institutions. Formation of various institutions is necessary for smooth function of the government. Advantages. Presence of various institutions ensures that a broad consensus is arrived at before any major decision is taken. Institutions also prevent a bad decision being rushed into. Disadvantages. Presence of various institutions lead to delay in decision making, which can be quite frustrating for many. Parliament. There are two houses of parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and there is third one which is called as House of the President. The system of the two houses in legislature is called bicameral legislature. Members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by people, while members of Rajya Sabha come through indirect election. Lok Sabha is more powerful compared to Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is directly elected by the people, while Rajya Sabha has some special powers to look after the interest of states or regions. Parliament is the final authority for making laws in the country. The task of the making a law is called legislature, and hence the parliament or the assemblies are called legislatures. The legislatures can make a new law, changing existing laws. Executive. The executive is a branch of government that is responsible for the day-to-day management of the state. The executive is not supposed to make laws. The executive is supposed to put the laws into action. The executive is led by the head of government. The head of government is associated by a number of ministers who usually have responsibilities for particular areas. There are two executives: political executive, permanent executive. Political executive. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers make the political executive. The task of the Council of Ministers is to execute the programs and policies of the government. Hence, it is called executive. Members of political executive. Members of political executive are elected by the people. Next, permanent executive. The civil servants from the permanent executive, they are selected through all Indian civil services and continue their job irrespective of the change of government. Judiciary. Judiciary is the system of courts that interprets and applies laws in legal cases. The judiciary is also known as the judicial system, judicature, judicial branch, judicative branch, and court or judiciary system. The judiciary can also be thought of as the mechanism for the resolution of disputes. The courts apply the law and settle disputes and punish lawbreakers according to the law. Judicial review. Judicial review is a process under which executive or legislative actions are subject to review by the judiciary. Judiciary review is one of the checks and balances in the separation of powers. The power of the judiciary to supervise the legislative and executive branches when the latter exceed their authorities. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.